A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to maxima and minima. So let us start with the questions. Now question number 1 is find two positive number x and y. Positive number x and y such that their sum is their sum is 35 and the product x square y to the power 5 is a maximum. Now this is our question. So I'm going to read and explain the question. Now question is find two positive number x and y, means x and y are positive number such that their sum is 35. Means question is saying x plus y is equal to 35 and their product is means x square into y to the power 5 is maximum. We have to find those positive number x and y, their sum is 35 and x square into y to the power 5 is maximum. So see the solution. Solution is x plus y is equal to 35. Consider equation 1 and through this equation we can write y is equal to 35 minus x. Consider this is equation 1. We have considered equation 1. Now the product is x square into y to the power 5. Let P be the product such that P is equal to x square into y to the power 5. Now x square y to the power 5, consider equation 2. Now suppose value of y from equation 1 we are going to put in equation 2. This implies P will be equal to x square into 35 minus x, this is the value of y, and power 5. So this is P. Now we are talking about product is maximum, product is minimum. So in this question this product is maximum, so P is maximum. In case question is talking about maxima and minima about P, so you have to differentiate. So dP by dx, that result will be d by dx of x square into 35 minus x power 5. Now its a differentiation will be first function derivative of second function, means 5 times 35 minus x power 4 into minus 1. First function derivative of second function and plus second function means 35 minus x power 5 into its differentiation is 2x. Now see what will be the result. Result will be minus 5x square in bracket 35 minus x power 4 and plus sine 35 minus x power 5 into 2x. Now in this expression you will see 35 x 35 minus x power 4 is common. So 35 minus x power 4 is common. So what will we get the result? This is x also common. So x in bracket 35 minus x power 4. Now in bracket what will be the result? Here you will get minus 5x and this power 4 is outside the bracket. Now this result is x is outside the bracket, so 35 minus x power 1 into 2. Now this calculation will be x time 35 minus x power 4 into, this is minus 5x minus 2x minus 7x plus 70. So minus 7x plus 70. See. And when you will equate to 0, you can get its value. You can get its value, that is x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 35. X is equal to 10 and x is equal to 35. Here you can get x is equal to 0 also. So x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 35. So through this equation, when you will equate to 0, what you can get the value? You can get value of x. So see, for turning points or maxima or minimum points, you have to equating to 0. So when you will equate to 0, you will get, since dp by dx result is 0, so this implies x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, this is 0, this is 35 and this is, when you will equate to 0, so you will get 10. So 10 and 35. So 0, 10 and 35. Function will be maximum or minimum. So again you will see, we are going to check maximum or minimum points. You have the point 0, 10 and 35. See, when x is equal to 0, then this whole part means dp by dx result will be positive or negative. See, whole result will be 0. When x is equal to 10, what you can say? X is equal to 10 or less than 10. This is the intervals on number line. Suppose this is 0, this is 10 and this is 35. So this is the region minus infinity to 0. This is 0 to 1, 0 to 10 and this is 10 to 35 and 35 to infinity. There are 4 regions. And through this region you can find also increase or decrease in which intervals. You know, there are 4 intervals you can get, and in any interval or first interval, suppose the function is increasing, so in other intervals function will be decrease. Now you will see, when is when x is less than 0, x is less than 0, so this will be positive and this will be also whole part is positive. Now what we can say? How we can find? Suppose we are going to check in this interval 0 to 10 means less than 10. So less than 10, what you will get the result? Less than 10, 0 to suppose 9. So we are going to suppose 9. So 9 7 is 63, this will be positive. And this will be also positive, this will be also positive. So 0 to 10 we can consider positive value. So all result you will see positive. But in a 10 to 35, suppose you are going to take 25. So 25 7 result will be 175, this is negative. And this is 25 result is positive and this is also positive. So negative, positive, negative result is positive, negative. So negative means slope is decreasing and here slope is increasing. So in case of 0 to 10 increasing and in case of 10 to 35 decreasing, so what we can say? We can say at x is equal to 10, from this interval or we can write in interval 0 to 10 dp by dx is greater than 0. Therefore, increasing curve. Now 10 to 35 dp by dx, what you can say? This is negative. So decreasing curve. So what you can say? Increasing then decreasing. Increasing then decreasing. Therefore, function is maximum. We can say function is maximum when x is equal to 10. Function p attain the maximum value, maximum at x is equal to 10. Attain the maximum at x is equal to 10. So when you will put x is equal to 10, you can get its maximum value. When you will put x is equal to 10, you will get y is equal to 25 because their sum is 35. This implies that is y will be equal to 25 because their sum will be 35. So we have to find two positive numbers. Therefore, ten and 25 are two positive number. Such that their sum is 35 and product x square y to the power 5 is maximum. Now this is our question. can see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Now question number 2 is, find two positive number find two positive number whose sum is 16 and the sum of whose cube is minimum. And the sum of whose cube is minimum. We have to find two positive number whose sum is 16 and the sum of whose cube is minimum. So let small x and y be any two positive number. We have considered two positive number. So their sum such that x plus y is equal to 16 and the sum of whose cube is minimum. Means sum is, suppose yes is equal to x cube plus y cube. This is their sum. Now from this expression, what we can write? Value of y is 16 minus x. And value of y, when you will put here, what you will get the result? You will get s is equal to x cube plus 16 minus x power 3. 16 minus x power 3. We have to show the sum of whose cube is minimum. So this is sum. Suppose we are going to calculate ds upon dx. So you will get the result 3x square plus 3 times 16 minus x whole square into minus 1. And to calculate the turning points, you will equating to 0. And now when you will equate to 0, since ds upon dx is equal to 0, this implies 3x square plus 3 times or minus 3 times 16 minus x whole square is equal to 0. Now 3 is common. So 3 is common in bracket x square minus 16 minus x whole square is equal to 0. And when you will simplify by using the formula a minus b into a plus b, so you can get the result x minus 16 minus x. This will be plus x when you will take negative. So x plus 16 minus x. So minus x plus x is cancelled. So 48 times 2x minus 16. 48 times 2x minus 16. So we can get its result. This is 48 times 2x minus 16 means is equal to 0. This implies we can get x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. So at x is equal to 8, there are single points you will get. So at x is equal to 8, we have to check. Now in this question, again we have to differentiate. This function means second order derivative we have to find. Now second order derivative will be, see, second order derivative means d2s whole upon dx square result will be. This result will be 6x and this result will be with plus sign 6 times 16 minus x. So minus 6x and plus 6x will cancel out and the result you will get, this is 16, 6 are 96. So d2s whole upon dx square is equal to 96 because 6x minus 6x is cancelled out. So this result is greater than 0. This implies we can write d2x upon dx square is greater than 0. This shows minimum. Minimum. Now in case of minimum, at this point x is equal to 8. At x is equal to 8, d2s upon dx square is also more than 0. So we can write the function, or at x is equal to 10, when you will put, you can get sum is 16 and product is minimum. Means in this expression when you will put x is equal to 8, so you can get y is equal to 8, same result, and x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8, when you will put, you will get their cubes, sum of their cube is minimum. So how we can write? We can write therefore 8 and 8, because when you will put x is equal to 8, you will get y is equal to 8. So y will be also, you will get 8. 8 and 8 are two positive number such that their sum is 16 and sum of cube is minimum. Now this question is completed. You can see. So in this question we have to show that two positive number whose sum is 16 and product is minimum. In case of minimum, you will see x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8. After solving, you will get the result. Now this question is totally completed. Now you can see.